Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing my hair and makeup in this video. If this is your first time, hey sis, my name is Key. Make sure you click that subscribe button down below, as well as give me a thumbs up and leave any comments that you may have. First off, I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair because I am going to wash my hair. My hair is naturally curly, so I do have to wash it. It's easier for me to wash it before going ahead and putting in these clip-ins. So let's get into them. It is by Sensationnel. It is their texture clip-ins from the Curls, Kinks, and Co line. I do have the style 3C Clique 18-inch. It is 100% human hair. I did get the color Natural Black. And so it says for natural hair who want to add volume or length, clip-ins provide instant gratification with every click. So basically these are clip-ins, which is just a weft or a track, and they have clips that are sewn into them so that you can go ahead and clip them in. All you do is push them in and snap them back in, just to snap them back into place. And you just part your hair and clip these in. They're very easy and simple to use. I'm just going ahead and sectioning off the hair and just clipping those in, as you do see. These do match my hair like to the freaking T. As you see in this video, like, oh my god, these clips were like very nice. The only thing is, if you want volume and you want your hair to be very, very big, you're not going to get that. These are more like to give you a little bit more volume and just to kind of make your hair look a little bit more full, but it's not going to be too much like if you want a lot of big hair. I didn't get that from this. After that, I am going to go ahead and apply some Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil, because my ends were kind of frizzy, and I did want the hair to kind of match and blend in easily. After that, I'm going to use my edge booster. Make sure you put like a oil or a gel on top of the edge booster, because sometimes it does get a little crusty like white, and it will leave that white cast on your scalp. So as you can see, like, girl, these clip-ins are so freaking pretty. It looks so good with my hair. So I'm going to be showing you the next day so you can see how the clip-ins look in my hair once everything is dry. I'm going to be starting out with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, because that is close to my skin tone, and we are going for a no foundation, no makeup routine. So I did already do my eyebrows off camera, which I've used the Morphe Chocolate Mousse eyebrow pencil. I used that. So I'm going to be using the same concealer as well. I'm going to be using the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Fawn is just a smidget like lighter than me. So I did want to go ahead and kind of warm up the face, but not too much, because like I said, we want this to be a natural, no makeup kind of look. So I didn't want it to be too much. I'm just going to take my Morphe. I don't know what this brush is called, but I'm going to be using that to go ahead and blend in that concealer. I do say if you do have a makeup sponge, I think the makeup sponge will make it look a little bit more seamless, because you don't want it to like be too stand outish, I guess, if you know what I'm saying. After that, I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade medium/deep. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Sculpt shade out of this Black Radiance palette, just to go ahead and put almost not contour, but this is like very, very close to my skin tone. It just warms up the face a little bit. It helps you to blend out the edges of that powder as well. Be careful when putting this on your nose, because like I said, it is warm. It has like a little bit orange tint to it, and when you are contouring, you want to use cool tone colors. So this right here will kind of make you look orange, so make sure you put a little bit as possible, but you do, you know, blend it out so that it does look nice. After that, I'm going to be taking my color, which is Yara, out of the Juvia's Place blush palette. It's brown in a pan, but it has like a little bit of, it's like an orange and pink tint to it, so it looks very pretty on the skin. It doesn't do too much at all. And then I'm going to take my NYX black liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to just follow my eyelash line and just do a very thin line. I just want to do a line just to put my eyelashes on. These lashes are the Ardell Double Up Wispy lashes that I always use, and I'm just gonna be applying some mascara. Do not apply too much mascara because we still want it to be like a little bit on the natural side. I think the Ardell Wispies are so natural when it comes to eyelashes. If you don't want to put on eyelashes, you don't have to do that. For the lips, I am using the Downtown Beauty by NYX, and then I'm gonna be applying some clear lip gloss on there. The Downtown Beauty, it did kind of make my lips look a little bit brown. So then I just applied this Wet n Wild lipstick on top to just give it a little bit of color, because I did almost want my lips to be a little bit pink, so I didn't want them too brown. And then I'm going to take this mascara and just put those on the eyebrow hairs just to make them look a little bit more natural and full. After that, I'm just going to take my Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to be taking the Glow Mist by Pixie. And that is going to be it for this face routine. I hope you guys enjoy and look at how freaking natural my hair looks. It looks freaking bomb. So if you like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.